Good day, sir. This is our report about the effects of bilging and permeability on the stability of the ship. Bilging, the process of a ship compartment flooding, and permeability, the measure of how easily fluids can flow through materials, both significantly impact ship stability. Bilging reduce buoyancy, shift the center of gravity, and introduce additional water, all of which can compromise stability. Permeability affects how much water can enter compartment, potentially exacerbating the effects of building. Building usually happens when water enters into any compartment below the level of the waterline and causes the ship to lose buoyancy. With increasing amounts of water within the ship, it tends to settle deeper in the water. The action increases draft, which can also cause the shifting of the ship's center of gravity.
For permeability, it may cause a listing or capsizing if precautions are not taken to avoid such situation. It tells what percentage of the whole volume of a compartment gets filled when water is in practice when it flows. Those are high permeability compartments. Example 100% for a empty space. Always the ingress of a lot more water into it, losing buoyancy than a low permeability compartment, say 0% for a fluid blasting tank, in which water enter in limited loss of buoyancy is curtailed and stability of a vessel in haze. In example terms, building just pumps water into the ship for lesser buoyancy and stability, whereas permeability brings into the measure of how much water can come into a compartment to determine the extent to which buoyancy is lost in the compartment. They govern together whether a vessel would float and remain upright during the worst of circumstance.